Video 5, Tier 4 Student, Sponsor and Studies. This section is all about your intended study at Heriot-Watt University, and most of the information can be found on your Confirmation of Acceptance for Studies, or CAS letter. In this section, the word sponsor is referring to Heriot-Watt University and not your financial sponsor. Start by entering the Heriot-Watt license number using capital letters. This number can be found at the top left-hand side of your CAS letter, and will begin with F7. The name of the education sponsor is Heriot-Watt University. The sponsor address can be found by typing in our postcode, EH144AS, and then pressing Find Address. You can then select Riccarton Curry from the drop-down box. This will always be the sponsor's address, even if you are studying at the Scottish Borders or Orkney campus. The contact details to use in this section are written at the bottom of page 1 of your CAS letter. Your CAS number is the one written in blue on the second page of your CAS letter. Below the number, it will tell you the title of the course. It will also detail the study level, and this will either be an SEQF or an English language level such as B1 or B2. Enter it exactly as it is written on your CAS. Enter the start and end dates as written on your CAS. If your course starts in September, the start date on the CAS is likely to be 1 week earlier than stated on your offer letter. This is because we would like you to arrive at the university in time for Welcome Week. The next question asks if you have already started studying the course. If you have, select Yes. If not, select No. If you are studying at the Edinburgh campus, then the site of study address is the same as the sponsor address that you have already entered above. If you are studying at Galashiels or Orkney, then you must enter the campus address. Unfortunately, the system does not recognise the Scottish Borders campus postcode, so you will have to type in the full address of the campus. The Scottish Borders campus address is Heriot-Watt University, Scottish Borders Campus, Galashiels, TD1 3HF. For Orkney, the address is the Old Academy, Back Road, Stromness, Orkney, Scotland, KW16 3AW. The telephone number and email address can be found at the bottom of page 1 of your CAS letter. Confirm using the drop-down box that you will be studying. This is the option you should select even if you are going to be undertaking a PhD. When you select this option, you will be asked, have you been assessed by the sponsor by other means, for example, references or a portfolio of artwork? This question is referring to non-academic documents. If a document such as a portfolio or reference has been listed on your CAS, then select Yes, and be sure to include these with your application. If it is only academic documents, such as degree certificates or transcripts, then select No. To demonstrate how your English language level has been assessed, please refer to the second page of your CAS. At the bottom, it asks if a CELT is required. This is a secure English language test approved by the Home Office. If this says yes, then you should select the box that says English language test. If this says no, then there will be a reason that it is not required on the line below. Select the option that matches the reason that has been stated on your CAS. In most cases, you will need to provide additional information based on the answer you give. If you are entering specific details about a CELT, make sure that the details in the CAS and on the original English language test certificate are the same. Press Save and then select the next video clip to continue with this section.